Today we will show you how to set up an unlit perfect holiday Christmas tree. Each tree comes with 2 to 3 sections depending on the height, a sturdy metal stand, and 1 to 3 stability screws. Let's start by setting up the stand. Make sure to align the arrows to expose the hole. Insert and twist each stability screw into the corresponding hole in the stand. Don't screw all the way in as you'll need space to insert the base. Once you've set up the stand, you can now insert the first section of the tree. This will be the largest section and will have a long pole at the bottom and an opening at the top. Once the bottom section has been inserted, tighten each stability screw to secure the tree. Once you've inserted the first section of the tree, you can start to fluff it so it looks full. The hinge branches make it easy to set up. Let's unhinge all the branches now. Branches should be individually manipulated by bending upward and out. This mimics the natural growth of a real tree and ensures a natural full length. Take your time and remember you could always go back to make adjustments as well. Now let's add the second section of the tree. Insert the pole into the bottom section. You can now start to fluff to fill out the branches of the middle section. It's time to add the final piece. Go ahead and place the last section of the tree into the middle section and continue fluffing the branches. Now look at your tree and fix any sections that look bare to fill in the gaps. Here you can see the difference between a fully fluffed and a straight out of the box tree. You can now enjoy your perfect holiday Christmas tree.